Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to edit interactions between visuals in Power BI. This is incredibly useful when you want to control which visuals respond to each other and which ones stay independent, giving you much more flexibility in how your dashboards behave. Let's start by opening your Power BI desktop application. Once it's fully loaded and you can see your workspace with all your visuals laid out, we're ready to begin customizing how they interact with one another. First, click on a visual that you want to work with. This selection is important because it tells Power BI which visuals interactions you're about to modify. For this example, let's say you have a pie chart, a table, and a card visual on your report page, and you want to control how they influence each other. Now, let's say you want the pie chart to stop affecting the table when you click on it. To do this, look at the top menu bar and click on Format. This opens up the formatting options specifically related to how visuals communicate with each other. Within the Format menu, click on Edit Interactions. This is the command that unlocks the ability to customize which visuals respond to selections made on other visuals. Once you activate this mode, you'll notice small icons appearing above each of your other visuals, indicating the current interaction type. Now focus on the table visual. On the top of the table, you'll see a None icon appear along with other interaction options. Click on the None icon. By doing this, you're telling Power BI to stop any interaction between the pie chart and the table. This means that when you click on a segment of the pie chart, the table will remain unaffected and continue displaying all its data without filtering. Next, let's work on the card visual. If you want the pie chart and the card visual to interact with each other, simply click the filter icon that appears on top of the card visual. This ensures that whenever you select something on the pie chart, the card will update accordingly to reflect that selection. And that's it. You've successfully customized how your visuals interact with each other in Power BI. Now, try interacting with your pie chart. Click on any segment, and you'll notice that the card visual updates based on your selection, while the table remains completely unchanged, showing all its data regardless of what you click. This level of control makes your reports much more dynamic and user-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.